A little girl, around 8 years old, with long dark hair and wearing a cozy sweater, sits alone on the wooden floor of her room. Outside, the sky is gray, with soft rain tapping on the window. In her lap,
a single tear traces a path down Lila's cheek, mirroring the melancholy of the day. Snow looks up at Lila, her bright blue eyes seeming to understand the depth of Lila's sorrow. In a sun-drenched garden, a younger Lila laughs joyously as Snow chases butterflies, their carefree spirits illuminating the vibrant scene. In the dim light of her bedroom, Lila sits on her bed, overcome with tears. Snow curls up beside Lila, offering silent solace in her distress. The bedside lamp casts a soft glow, accentuating Snow's comforting presence. In the soft glow of a quiet night, Lila, now a little older, finds solace in the pages of a book, Snow snuggled warmly by her side. In the present, Lila embraces Snow tightly, smiling through her tears. The rain recedes, and sunlight floods the room, enveloping them in its soft glow. Together, Lila and Snow gaze out the window, their faces reflecting a newfound peace and optimism.